Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about a carpet cleaner that has honestly been turning a lot of heads in the home cleaning space. The BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner, Model 3432. And the big question everyone keeps asking is this thing actually worth the investment? Let's break it down with real numbers and real talk. So first off, what makes this machine different from every other carpet cleaner on the market? One word, HydroSteam. This is literally the only upright, deep cleaner in the world with proprietary HydroSteam technology. What that means in real-world use is that it combines steam vapor, water, and a powerful cleaning solution all at once, pushing deep into your carpet fibers to break up stuff that regular carpet cleaners just can't touch. We're talking sticky messes, old pet stains, set-in urine, the stuff that's been there for months and you've been spraying and scrubbing with zero results. Now let's talk specs. The machine weighs in at 29 pounds, with dimensions of roughly 14.57 inches deep by 19.17 inches wide by 22.72 inches tall. It runs on corded electric power and holds a 1-gallon water tank capacity, plenty for a full, deep cleaning session without constantly stopping to refill. The power cord stretches out to 25 feet and the detachable hose is 8 feet long, giving you serious reach for upholstery, stairs, and tight spots. The IT comes with 3 distinct cleaning modes, and this is where it gets really interesting. You've got steam pre-treat mode to penetrate and loosen the toughest stuck-on pet messes before you even start scrubbing. Then there's Steam Wash Max Clean mode, and BISSELL actually tested this against competitors using ASTM F2828 standards and found it cleans 2x better than the Tenico Carpet 1 Pro. That's not marketing fluff, that's a standardized lab result. And then Quick Dry mode, which helps your carpets dry in about 30 minutes. Which if you've ever used a carpet cleaner before, you know how game-changing that is. Most machines leave your floors wet for hours. You also get 2 dirt lifter power brushes, each one packed with 12 rows of bristles that rotate to pull embedded dirt and stains up from deep in your carpet pile. Why is this such a popular choice for pet owners specifically? Because it includes a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool that handles both wet and dry messes, plus a 6-inch tough stain tool perfect for stairs and furniture. 2 trial-size cleaning formulas are included right in the box. BISSELL Simply Carpet Deep Clean and Pet Pro OXY Urine Eliminator. So you can start cleaning immediately out of the box. What do those numbers actually mean in everyday use? Think about it this way. You've got a dog or a cat that had an accident on your carpet 3 weeks ago. You vacuumed, you spot treated, but the stain and odor are still hanging around. This machine goes in with heated steam combined with enzymatic cleaning solution, physically scrubs it with 24 rows of bristles total across both brushes, extracts the dirty water back into a separate tank, and then dries your carpet in half an hour. Real users on eBay and Amazon have called it the Cadillac of carpet cleaners and rated it 4.7 out of 5 stars. One reviewer said it felt like, and I'm paraphrasing here, bringing a professional-grade machine into their home for the first time. The machine is backed by a 5-year limited warranty, which is one of the longer warranties you'll find in this category. And every single purchase you make supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, a nonprofit dedicated to saving homeless pets. So you're cleaning your home and doing some good in the world. That's a pretty solid deal. In terms of price, you're looking at roughly $280 to $300 depending on where you shop, with Amazon frequently having it in that range. For a machine with this level of technology, that's competitive compared to professional carpet cleaning services that can run $150 to $300 per room alone. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.